This is Charlie from Fightfast. We got 3 self-defense moves. Let's get right into it.
Absolutely. Go ahead. You stop. Stop right there. Good. As you got people trying to throw sweeps. It's just ridiculous. It's not going to happen. These are the things that you have to grasp. Do the things that work in your training center and get these big guys out there. And we'll see what happens in real life. You're going to see that your martial art training is wonderful, but your fighting is a totally different mindset. Don't fight at strength ever. Only going to the weakest points of the body. A groin strike's fine. If you threw in and I had all the time in the world, pop. That's fine. As long as you don't attack structure. Don't sit there. Go ahead, throw a punch. And attack. I always hear this. Strike the old bicep. Come in. No, that's not. Please. Little people, fine. You see people throwing punches, run through, risk take. These are going to get you killed. Take it to your school. Again, you hear me say this over and over again. Take what works. Bob has one thing that's very painful, which I'm not going to do, is he throws a punch. Just grabbing him by the beard is ugly. Bob's my friend. Bob's my friend. This is a terrible, terrible thing to do to someone. Coming up again and striking. So you just don't want to hurt this man in that way. So in conclusion to fighting, you have to grasp the concepts that size and power is out there, that a person's not going to stand there and let you headbutt him 3 times or whatever because they're running at you because why? They have no respect for you. You must have them in your mind that the person has a weapon. You never want to grab him or try to sweep him because if you don't get it, you're going to have a knife in your side or in your back or whatever. You will be killed. That would be a terrible tragedy. This man in front of you is only a shield, looking for other things because in the street there are other things. You never have the right to think that you're fighting one man. You never have the right to take someone down and start to wrestle them. You never have the right to focus on that person to try to stomp him down because somebody else is going to be behind you smacking you alongside the head, which is very, very important to grab.
Hey guys, I'm jumping in here real fast. I want to give you some free videos. Go check out the description. We got a link to our free Fight Enders video. It's totally free. In that video, you'll get trained by martial artists, Green Berets, Black Ops, a whole bunch of specialists in the military and martial artists. The video is totally free. The link's in the description. Go check it out. Back to the video.
Now, I've taken the special agent combatants and I've given you most of the stand-up fighting techniques that you need. We learn how to punch, we learn how to kick, and we learn how to defend ourselves. Now what I want to do is, you have all these techniques, but you say, Derek, what do I do with them? I want to show you some different variations that we can use for just different things that my partner want to throw at me. Okay, it's not going to be pre-planned or anything. I'm just going to have them throw techniques. I'm going to react to those techniques slowly so we can demonstrate it and also so my partner can't get hurt. Because remember, everything I show you is either lethal or it's going to hurt the person, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate slowly, but we're going to take you through some scenarios of right now just kicking and punching scenarios. We get to the other things later on. So here we go. So my partner is just standing up. We're in a fighting situation. Let's throw a technique out. He throws a technique. We want to react to that technique. He comes out. I do my block. I maybe parry him down. I step in here. And I'm throwing that shot to his neck that's going to take him back and out. Remember, I'm penetrating, I'm hitting him to that, doing that brachial stun on him, possibly taking him down to the ground. Now, going back to that position, same thing. I stepped in, I hit him with that blow to the neck. What's the next obvious thing to do? We're going to fall up, now we set him up for the knee. I can strike with the knee a couple of times, take him down. Whatever I want to do, I can take his face and I can drive it down with the knee. Okay? I can hit him to the groin with the knee. These techniques are going to open up other opportunities for you to use your gross motor tools that I just taught you. Give me another scenario. Partner comes with the front hand. Now I'm in close now, right? So I'm kind of close to him. So he had to turn his punch a little bit. Go ahead. Come in, get that double block because he's a big guy. Come in. I can use his arm, use whatever. I can roll off. I can still hit him with that technique. So he's here. I'm always aiming for that throat or that neck because that's going to take him out. Always get that shot open for the groin, for his leg. I can do a knee stomp. What else do I have? I got that headbutt I showed you. Wham! Take a headbutt to get him off me. Then I can hit to the throat. Give me something else. He runs in to grab me. I'm still doing the same scenario. He's throwing the kick on me. I might have to take that shot. You're gonna get hit. But that opens me up for kill shots though. He came right into what I wanted to hit him with, the throat. Hit him with this one, turn around, hit him with this one. He's a big guy, he's gonna crowd me, he's gonna overpower me with shots. That's why when he's coming in, go ahead and come in again. I need to be doing things that's gonna stop that forward momentum. Take him down and out. Again, he comes with something. Where am I at now? He happened to catch me with my hands down. I usually want my hands up higher than his. But he catch me in this situation, no problem. What do I have? I got that groin shot I told you about. Smack him to the groin. What else do I have? You open up for the elbow strike. What else do I have? I have this one here. Wherever he happens to be, I'm going to take him out with those shots. Okay? Another scenario. He throws the kick. What I tell you to do with the kick? Throw it again. Come up, check the kick. When I come down from checking the kick, when he kicks, his forward momentum is going to bring him forward. Once again, I got my shot to the throat. Got my kill shot. This is non-kill. This is kill shot. Okay? Come in. I don't want to kill him. Hit him with this shot. He's open. He's bringing his body to me to open me up with something else. Okay? Now we're just going to move around a bit. Come on, partner. Throwing shots to block. Throwing shots to preparing. Every time I do that, you see that when he comes down, there's a shot open for me to give him. I'd love for him to take his head down like that, because my next shot is a knee. Open his body up. Natural body movements. Easy for your body to remember this, these gross motor movements. Again, partner. Comes in, he catches me to one, he catches me to the neck. Okay? What can I do now? I've been hit, it's gonna buckle me a little bit. But I still gotta work out that scenario. That's the groin shot again, that knife hand to the groin. That's the elbow again, okay? That's a shot to the neck again, because I'm compacted here. Those little shots to the throat, get them off of me. Now I can work with it. I've been hit, I can work with it. Hopefully he didn't break my jaw, all right? Another scenario. Moving through the scenario, he comes in with me. There's that shot again with the groin. That's come up with the elbow. That's open up the throat for the kill shot, okay? Right now we're not doing takedowns. Comes back in again. Boom, that's that stop I told you about. As you come in and try to hit me, go ahead. I'm parrying, I'm stopping him with that kick. That kick is not gonna take him out, but it's gonna do what I want him to do. Buckle him over, and what's there again? There's the throat shot again, okay? There's the throat shot again, to the throat. There's another kill shot to the throat. You know, it's gonna open you up. I don't care what angle it comes from. Come in again, partner. If I come here, I just took him here, I missed it. I'm coming up again here, catching with an angle to the throat, okay? All right, move around again. I want to also, remember those straight lines? Probably come in with that TV hook. I'm going straight in. I'm going to catch him with that fist strike I have. Okay? I always want to follow up with something. I might hit him twice. If I can't hit him twice, I'm going to follow up with something else. There's that kick to the knee. Buckle his knee. There's that strike again. Okay? There's always somewhere for you to hit this person as long as you're thinking. Okay?
Hey guys, make sure to like this video and let's get into the last tip. Here we go.
Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through some various biting and eye gouging positions first. You have to understand that this is an entire art that's been perfected over 75 years. To try to condense it within the confines of a videotape is going to be quite difficult. So you're going to be getting just a minute portion of it, but portions that I think are relevant and rather simple. We're going to first go through the basic positions. I'm going to show you the bites, some bites from the bottom, some bites from the cross-side top, some bites from the north and south, some bites from the mount, some bites from the guard. Okay? There are actually over 140 uninterrupted bites on the body. This would take me 10 videotapes to cover. I'm going to cover, like I say, a portion of each. Once you get the principle, you can find your own bites. Okay? We'll also go into the eye gouging. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off on the bottom position, and then we're going to work our way position to position, one bite at a time. Then I'm going to show you how we train this. I'm going to actually grapple using the bites, and then I'm going to come to my feet and show you how we create space with it. So that's our agenda. Okay, Tim, come on in. Let me get you at this angle here. And the first very common cross side is that this arm is over. Let's get you over the neck first, Tim. And this is how many people start off, and then we'll take you from the other position. So what this position does is this enables the person from the top to attack this hand. And this hand can be a figure 4 or the straight arm bar. So what I want to do with this hand is I want to put this hand under the armpit. Okay? This elbow, I want to be controlling the hip. So I've got control here. The second he puts that elbow over, the bite is already there. I just grasp the hand here and I begin the bite. Okay? So that is our very first bite. So let me just have you back off a little, Tim. Now from there, kind of just jump on me, aggressive position from there, and I'll show you exactly where it would be. When I start the bite, I want you to get me off you no matter what. Okay, ready, go. And that's the space I need to come to my feet. Okay? So again, Tim, slowly please. You cannot imagine the reaction you get when you're tearing into somebody's flesh. Okay? The better jiu-jitsu person or Greco-Roman or whatever wrestling style he is, the better grappler he is, the heavier and the tighter he's going to be. I want to eliminate that. I want to negate that tightness by biting. His visceral response is to come up. When I bite, he comes up to give me space, and then I can kick off and come to my feet. Okay? So one more time, please, Tim. As soon as I see this, I latch on. Now again, if I do not grab my own hand, if I just bite here, okay, he's just going to bring his arm around, push off, and be able to do what he wants. So the bite has to be uninterrupted. Okay? Let me give you an example of an incorrect bite. Come into my guard, please. Let's say we're fighting, whatever, and I just arbitrarily decide to bite Tim. Because after all, most people say anyone can bite. So let's just say I just bite him. Well, if I just bite him in a spot that's not uninterrupted, he's just going to pull his arm away and start punching me, and then he'll be cued in, oh, we're biting. So let's just say I bite. Yeah, he's just going to pull his arm away. Okay, so you pull that arm that's bitten away, and just the fight begins. But on the other hand, if we're in the same position, then I bite here, pull away. And then I kick him off, and then I come to my feet. So the idea of the bite is that you're always grabbing your own hand. When you're grabbing your own hand and biting and tearing, then you feel him given space, and then at that right timing, you take advantage of that space and push off. So our very first bite we're working is cross side, elbow over, this hand under the armpit, this elbow on the hip controlling, grabbing your own arm, turning and biting. This knee should be up to prevent him from mounting you, but mostly when he's being bitten, he's just going to try to get up. This is your bite. Okay? Let's give that one a whirl.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.